Brighter beyond expectation. High-quality LED chips, super bright and powerful white light to let you see the forward dark road clearly. Excellent lighting effect. Combination of spot and flood beam, further irradiation distance and wide range of light for broad view area. Adjustable mounting bracket. The light bar can be adjusted to about 45 degrees, which makes changing direction of light beam easier. 2 available leads. With 2 sets of light output connectors for dual lighting fixtures less than 180 W, the connection is more stable. Package include 1 PC72W combo LED light bar and 1 PC wiring harness kit. Applications: off-road lighting, Jeeps, 4x4, cars, motorcycles, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, trains, boat, bus, road buggy, sandrail, etc. Other lighting: excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, mower, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, camping, mining, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting: garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note: use a voltage transformer, converter to convert the AC 110 to 120V to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Universal fitment. The wiring harness is a good accessory for off-road vehicles, working vehicles, automobiles and boat that use a 12 volts DC power source. Note: they are aftermarket parts. Top reviews from the United States. Bright light. Bought this light for golf cart, lights up the night.